1794, someone laid the first stones of this Pennsylvania farmhouse. Linda and Mike Hanson found it nearly 2 centuries later, a little rough around the edges, full of bees, and absolutely perfect. What they have done with it since is something you have to see. A classic Pennsylvania stone house, 1 room deep, with a stone first floor and a log second floor, is the original structure. A 2-story stone addition came decades later, and then Linda and Mike became the stewards of this historic home, making it live on for generations. 3 centuries of building, all in one place, and every layer of history showing beautifully. This is where the Hanson story of resilience really shows. In 2015, a fire badly damaged this part of the home, the keeping room, dining room, and kitchen. Rather than simply restore what was there, Linda and Mike opened the 3 spaces into one large welcoming room, a comeback that made the home even better than before. In the stone addition from around 1830s, still 1 room deep, Linda has created a warm and beautifully collected space that honors every year of this home's long history. here you can see the original bones of this home, the log second floor, just as it was built in 1794. Linda has embraced every bit of it. This is a home that wears its age with pride. The screen porch is a later addition, but Linda has made it completely her own. Mismatched rockers, painted furniture, birdhouses, and braided rugs. A perfect spot to sit a spell. Linda likes to say that if something looks good, trust your instinct. No rules, no overthinking, just a deep love of old things and the confidence to put them together beautifully. This home says it all.